Ever stare at your monthly bills, feeling that familiar knot in your stomach? You know you need more cash, but the thought of another demanding job just drains your energy. What if I told you there are simpler ways? Ways to boost your bank balance using what you already have. Your stuff, your skills, even your daily routine? You don't need a second job to unlock new income streams. You need a new perspective. Many believe more income means more hours grinding away. But the truth is, most of us are sitting on untapped potential, resources just waiting to be leveraged. It's about working smarter, not just harder. Today, we're diving into unconventional, easy ways to generate extra income right from your existing life. Forget side hustles that feel like a second job. Let's find income streams that fit into your day. Leveraging existing resources means turning what you already possess, be it items, knowledge, or even just data, into a source of cash. It's about maximizing value without major new investments of time or money. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. These are practical, often small, streams that collectively build real financial momentum. Think of it as patching small leaks in your financial bucket and then filling it up. Let's start with your digital footprint. Do you have old photos, videos, or digital designs gathering dust on a hard drive? These forgotten files could be earning you money. Stock photography sites or design marketplaces are always looking for unique content. Upload your best shots or vector graphics and earn royalties every time someone uses them. It's truly passive income. What unique skills do you possess? Can you explain a complex topic simply or teach a basic craft? Turn your expertise into mini tutorials or short ebooks. Platforms exist where you can create and sell small, specialized online courses. Share what you know, set your price, and let the platform handle the rest. If you genuinely love and use certain products, consider ethical affiliate marketing. Recommend tools or services you already endorse to friends, family, or your online community. When someone purchases through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's about sharing value, not just pushing products, and can be integrated into existing conversations or content. Now let's look around your home. That spare room, the empty garage, or even tools collecting dust in the shed, they represent dormant capital. Websites allow you to rent out storage space in your home, a spare parking spot, or even a room for short-term stays. These are assets you already own, generating income. Do you have a power washer, a specific party tent, or even specialized camera gear? Many people need these for a day or a weekend, but don't want to buy them. Peer-to-peer rental platforms make it simple to list your items, set your rates, and connect with local renters. It's a fantastic way to offset the cost of your purchases. If you have a knack for crafting or upcycling, consider turning existing materials into new products. Old furniture, fabrics, or even salvaged wood can become unique, sellable items. Platforms dedicated to handmade goods or local online marketplaces are perfect for reaching buyers. This utilizes your creativity and existing materials without significant upfront investment. Even your everyday habits and personal data, handled thoughtfully, can become a small income generator. It's about understanding the value you unknowingly create. Participating in online surveys or market research studies is a straightforward way to earn a little extra. Your opinions are valuable to companies shaping their products. Some apps pay you for sharing anonymous usage data, like how you browse the internet. Always research privacy policies carefully, but these can be truly passive once set up. If you already commute, consider leveraging that time. Delivering a few packages or meals on your route can turn wasted travel time into earned income. This isn't directly earning new money, but it's preventing money from leaving your wallet unnecessarily. Optimize your spending with cashback apps, rewards cards, and loyalty programs. Every purchase becomes an opportunity to earn back a percentage. It's about being strategic with money you're already spending, maximizing every transaction. The secret to success with these streams is starting small and consistently. Don't try to implement everything at once. Pick one or two that genuinely appeal to you. A little effort, consistently applied, will always outperform sporadic, intense bursts. These methods thrive on gradual accumulation and smart management, not overwhelming commitment. Keep it simple. The goal isn't to create a complex business, but to find straightforward ways to add to your financial well-being using what you already have. These small, often overlooked income streams can significantly reduce financial stress and accelerate your goals. Imagine what an extra $50, $100, or even $200 a month could do for you. Your existing resources are powerful. It's time to stop seeing them as just stuff and start seeing them as potential income. Take action today, even if it's just listing one item. If you found these ideas helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing to Wealth Weaver for more practical, hype-free financial strategies. Let's build real wealth together.